Now it's Saturday, 8:30 a.m. and we have a garbage truck disposing empty garbage bin next to my balcony, even though the site is over there. But since I asked them not to have lunches by my balcony with the engine on and to move a little bit more far away from my balcony, they seem not to want to care. So we have 4 garbage trucks standing by my balcony picking up garbage from neighboring buildings and doing it on purpose. You see how they back it off by my balcony, so it's straight here. I'm telling you, I talked to them many times. You can hear how loud they are. And this is with the balcony on. Empty. So we had 3 containers, 2 of them empty and the third one half empty.